So North Carolina school districts are starting to notify parents now that their students' data could be at risk.
Yeah, you may recall we told you that a hacker stole data from its student information system that's called PowerSchool. WRAL's Destiny Patterson talked to a parent about their concerns after learning about this.
I have been checking in with school districts, our largest ones in our viewing area, since yesterday. That's when I told you about Chapel, Carborough schools. Since then, we've also learned about Durham and Orange County schools notifying parents. Wake County still has not. Each district has emphasized to me that they are still working to identify if individual students, staff have been impacted by this breach. Wake County parent Santina Barnes holds her information tight. She tells me after her daughter passed away, a scammer took advantage.
I did have a scammer go in and get her Social Security card and file taxes with it.
Now she's worried about the information that could be out there about her other two kids after PowerSchool was hacked. Schools across the state and the world use the software for attendance tracking, student transcripts, and communication to and from families.
It's a really quite painful thing to know that your kids' information is floating out there.
Wednesday, Vanessa Wren with the Department of Public Instruction told me they're still trying to identify the scope of the breach. She expects names and addresses to be the main concerns for both students and staff. PowerSchool says the hacker also stole some Social Security numbers. We're working to confirm if that's the case here in North Carolina.
When can parents expect to get notification of this?
We are working with PowerSchool.
North Carolina is one of 7 states whose ID Theft Protection Act doesn't order government agencies to inform the public. The Department of Justice expects some government agencies to take that step. So far, we know that Durham, Orange, and Chapel Hill Carborough schools have let parents know. Wake County hasn't yet.
The only reason I knew about the data breach is because I happened to be in the kitchen cooking and I heard your story.
A PowerSchool spokesperson told me the incident is contained and we do not anticipate the data being shared or made public. Wren stands by that.
Is there a way to be 100% sure that that data that was stolen from PowerSchools has been destroyed?
There's not. You have to put your trust in the attackers who are going to say that they destroyed it and that they're going to abide by their word.
I want to make it clear at this point, the district still don't know if individual students or staff members have been impacted by that breach. That is still under investigation at this time. Law enforcement is keeping an eye out for any potential data that may be leaked to any sites on the dark web. Destiny Patterson, WRAL News 11 Raleigh.